one death in Klamath County illustrates the serious effect of the coronavirus in our area. The death of a 64-year-old man there also shows a need for COVID-19 testing. Valerie Lane with Klamath County's Health Department joins me now. So discuss coronavirus in Klamath County. So thank you so much for joining me. What can you say about Klamath County's newest coronavirus death case?
This morning, our community lost a 64-year-old man who tested positive for coronavirus. He had underlying health conditions, and I think that that's one of the things that we need to keep in mind is that individuals who have chronic illnesses, that COVID does come against them in a much more aggressive manner than people who have better health. This gentleman was definitely the world to his family, and the entire Klamath County government expresses their condolences to them.
How do you think county residents are honoring state coronavirus guidelines about safe social distancing, gatherings, and face coverings?
I believe that for the most part, people are doing their level best to have that social distancing, the wearing of masks. I think people are trying to the best of their ability to do that. I see more face masks being used. I'd also like to remind people that there are reasons why some people may not be masked. They may have an illness that prevents them from having good air draw, respiratory-wise, if they're wearing a mask, or they may have experienced some sort of trauma that prevents them from being able to wear a mask. I believe that overall, we can take into account that as of today, Thursday, we've only had 7 positive cases out of 836 tests that have been performed. So we really are doing pretty well, I think, in this county as far as keeping things where they need to be.
We understand your health department and Klamath Health Partnership is offering free coronavirus testing in Klamath Falls next Wednesday. Is it available to any county resident?
Any county residents. As a matter of fact, one of the reasons that we're doing this is transportation can be a barrier for people. In our downtown area, we saw when there wasn't bus service to be able to get groceries, there were people that were literally walking to get their groceries, 2 miles back and forth. So to have it right downtown, anyone can come, they can be tested in their car, or they can just walk right up and be tested. You will be asked for a little bit of information so that we can get a hold of folks to let them know if they're positive or negative. And they'll have the opportunity to register if they need to for Oregon Health, the Oregon Health Plan, or any other questions they might have. We've got some great professionals out there.
What sort of participation do you expect next Wednesday?
We have seen participation all over the map when it comes to where we've been. We were most recently in Crescent. We were in Merrill, Malin, Bonanza, Chiloquin. Chiloquin had the most people turn out, 86 folks. And it would be really nice in Greater Klamath Falls to see that number either equaled or exceeded.
What kind of testing has been done in Klamath County to this point?
To this point, we've had testing available at various clinics. And Sky Lakes was ahead of the curve. Before you could get testing anywhere in the state, whether you had symptoms or not. You could go to Sky Lakes and get that done. They've had a drive-through testing availability for months, and now Rite Aid is also offering a drive-through testing service.
If someone tests positive for the coronavirus, they will then receive a call from the Klamath Health Partnership. From there, the staff will begin contact tracing to help catch the virus before it can spread to others. A developing story tonight, Jackson